Hello, and welcome to the channel. Are you a video creator who sometimes stares at a blank page, totally stuck on what to say? Or maybe you spend hours trying to come up with the perfect video idea, title, or script? Well, what if I told you there's a powerful tool that can help you with all of that, and it's completely free to get started? Today, we're diving into the world of chat and how you can use it to supercharge your video creation process. First things first, what exactly is chat? Imagine you have a super smart assistant who can write, brainstorm, and chat with you about almost anything. That's essentially what chat is. It's an AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it's designed to understand and generate human-like text. For us video creators, this is an absolute game changer. You can find it by searching for chat from OpenAI, and I'll drop a direct link in the description below so you can easily access it. So, how do we actually use it for making videos? Let's start with the very beginning. Ideation. Let's say your channel is about healthy cooking. You could go to chat and type something like, "Give me 10 video ideas for a healthy cooking channel aimed at busy professionals." In seconds, it will spit out a list of fantastic starting points, like 5-ingredient healthy lunches or meal prep for the week in under an hour. This alone can save you hours of brainstorming. Once you have your idea, you need a catchy title. A great title is crucial for getting clicks. You can ask chat, "Write 5 catchy YouTube titles for a video about meal prep for the week." It will give you options like the ultimate guide to meal prep or meal prep like a pro, save time, and eat healthy. You can pick the one you like best or mix and match ideas. Now for the big one, script writing. This is where chat truly shines. You can give it a simple prompt like, "Write a 3-minute YouTube video script for a beginner's guide to meal prepping." The tone should be friendly and encouraging. The AI will generate a full script, complete with an intro, main points, and an outro. It's an incredible first draft. Now, I don't recommend just copying and pasting it directly. The best approach is to use this as a solid foundation. Read through it, add your own personality, tweak the wording to match your style, and inject your personal stories and expertise. Think of chat as your co-writer, not your replacement. It doesn't stop there. You can also use it to write your video description. A good description helps with YouTube's search algorithm. Just ask, "Write a YouTube video description for a video titled The Ultimate Guide to Meal Prep. Include relevant keywords and a call to action." It will create a well-optimized description that you can easily adapt. You can even ask it to generate relevant hashtags to boost your video's visibility even further. Let's recap the workflow. Step 1. Brainstorm video ideas with chat. Step 2. Generate catchy titles to grab viewers' attention. Step 3. Create a solid first draft of your script. Step 4. Personalize and refine that script to make it your own. And Step 5. Write your video description and hashtags to optimize for search. By integrating this tool into your process, you can streamline your workflow, overcome creative blocks, and focus more on what you do best, creating amazing videos. It's a powerful tool that can seriously level up your content creation game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, give it a try. The link is waiting for you in the description. Go play around with it and see how it can help you. I'd love to hear how you're using it. So drop a comment below and share your experiences. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you in the next one.